Alright, so some more minor work's being done to Project L, my E46 drift car. So I've since taken it to Grange Motorsports Park and did a full drift day with the car. The car was pretty good overall, but there were a few things I wanted to improve. The main issue though I ran into is I ran out of drift spares. I only brought 6 wheels and it wasn't enough, so I've been meaning to buy more spare wheels that I can carry in the car. And the problem is all my drift spares are 16-inch wheels. They're all 16-inch OEM BMW wheels, kind of like this, which is well and dandy, but when it comes to buying cheap used tires for drifting, 16s are a pretty uncommon size. It's much more common to find 15-inch wheels, or 15-inch tires, excuse me. Much more common to find used, cheap 15-inch tires, at least locally here in LA. So it made sense to try and buy some 15-inch wheels. However, I'm not sure if 15-inch wheels will fit on the back of the E46. It's pretty close, as is with 16s. It's fine on the rotor side with the caliper, it's pretty close. But I figured it's worth a shot, so I picked up these 15-inch bottle caps from an E36 with tires. They were super duper cheap for all 4. So I figured, what the hell, even if they don't fit, I'll just resell them. So let's see if these fit on the back of the E46. Oh, that's so close. That's super duper close. So I think it might fit, but it is so close. I actually need to bolt the wheel on and roll it and see if it's actually grinding against the caliper. It's that close. Okay, so the wheel is bolted on. I'm gonna drop the handbrake and see if it spins freely. Look at all this luxury. That's kind of sketch. All right. Oh, the welded dip, I forgot. Because of the welded dip, I can't spin this one wheel. Oh. All right, so because of the welded dip, I need to actually jack up both rear wheels to see if I can get it to spin. So I'm gonna lower the car down slowly and make sure there's no like doom or destruction. Wait. All right, let's grab some shocks for the front wheels so the car doesn't roll away and kill us, kill me. Boom. Yeah, that tire looks pretty flat, huh? Is it gonna pop? Please don't pop. Oh. Sorry, pop it. Turn flat tire. Go to myself. There you go. Let the record show I have no idea how old these tires are. I probably should check. Alright, both rear wheels are in the air. Let's drop the handbrake and see if it spins. I don't know, it's real close to that caliper. Real close. That might be contacting actually. I think with a lower offset it might fit. Let's see what happens. Oh, I think it's just contacting, huh? Like, it's to the point where I think with self-clearance, that's obviously really not an ideal situation. Oh yeah, that's contacting. Yeah, if the offset was lower, it would work. So, good idea. We should need a lower offset wheel. These are a 15x7 plus 47 offset. I think if we're closer to like a plus 30, it would fit, it would clear. As is, it does not. Back to the drawing board. Took the wheel off. You can see where the caliper scraped the wheel barrel right there. So I think, looking at these wheels here, it's due to the barrel shape here. If the barrel was flat all the way through, it would clear. But as is, no go. I think with a wheel spacer or a lower offset wheel, this would fit. I'm gonna see if I have any spacers around here I can try. So I did some digging in the garage, and turns out I do have wheel spacers that'll fit the hubs of this car. These are some Turner Motorsport, I think they're 12.5mm spacers. Obviously the stock bolts are not long enough for these bigger spacers, so they'll be just for test fit purposes, but let's see if that's enough to make it clear. Okay, now how short are we going to be on these bolts? So these might not even thread, these are the stock bolts. We'll see if they can at least just hold the wheel on at all, just for test fit purposes. No, stock bolts will not even begin to throw up the 10mm spacer in place. However, with a 10mm spacer in place, the wheel does spin. I still hear a very minor contacting with the caliper. Let's see if we left a mark. So, I'm not sure if you can even hear the sound on camera, it's pretty faint, but we did leave a teeny tiny mark on the caliper. But that does tell us what we need to know. With a 10mm spacer, we're pretty much right there. That would make this wheel an effective 37 offset. With about a 35 offset, it would clear and be good to go. So the question is, do I want to keep these wheels, or do I want to try and sell these and try and find a lower offset 15-inch wheel? I think I might go with the latter.